Hello, everybody. Hey, guys, this is Sarah. I am also called Simply Sarah, and I am here today on our Chalk Couture page to do a little project with you guys, show you how easy it is. We're going to change out our chalkboard. I am going to put something up. I need something for my entryway, so I am going to be changing out our artwork today. So come on in and join me. Let me know where you're watching from. Hello, hello. I'm going to quickly get my comments up on my phone so that I can see what's going on, because I have been trying to learn very technical stuff all morning and nothing is working. So c'est la vie, that is what it is. We're here. I'm going to turn this down. Now I can see our comments. So I'm going to put this up and keep this going. So hey guys, welcome in. Comment below if you are new here. Go ahead and let me know if you've seen Chalk Couture before. If you have not, well, you're in the right place. So we are going to get started by washing off our chalkboard. First, I have one of our board erasers. So I'm just going to get it wet a little bit. It's kind of like a magic eraser. Kind of not, but cooler and way better. So all I'm going to do is I am just going to change out my design by just simply washing this off. You can use a paper towel. You don't need to use our board erasers, but of course I'm using our board eraser today because I stinking love it. And I actually, this chalkboard has our new metallic gold on it. And because it has some flecks of glitter, it sometimes can be a little more difficult to get the chalk off of there. But it's coming off really, I mean, let's like say difficult with parentheses, okay? Because it's literally so easy, anybody could do it. So I'm doing that today. So I'm just going to be working on this. You guys comment below. Let me know where you're watching from or where you're tuning in from. Let me know if you're catching this live or if you're on the replay. Go ahead and drop a comment, #live. Or if you're catching on the replay, say #replay. Did you know that like 75% of viewers all come in after the live is over? So if you guys want to do Facebook Live and you're freaking out and you're nervous, just know that most of the viewers come on the replay. So don't be afraid. Get out there and do it. If you have a business, Facebook Live is the absolute best thing to do for your business. It's what grew my business from like, I think I had around maybe 7,000 followers when I started doing Facebook Live. Now I have 42,000, so it works. I'm going to dip this in here, and I'm going to squeeze out some of this water, and then we're going to get this bottom portion washed off. Hey, Ludi, how are you? Good morning, good morning. Man, I should have started working on my erasing a little bit sooner. I'm not going to lie. Probably should have prepped. It's almost done. It still has taken not a really long time, but I can imagine how kind of boring it is to watch me erase the chalkboard here. So sorry about that, folks. All right, now I'm just going to wash it dry, or get it dry here. Get all that residue off, and now we have a beautiful new surface to create on, and we are ready to get chalking. Woo, I love this part. It's going to be super easy, super quick. Beautiful chalkboard, ready to go, all cleaned up. See how easy it is to change out your decor, guys? Like it just doesn't, literally could not be easier. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Debbie. I see you. So you can't hide from me on Facebook because I can see you. Good morning, Debbie. Good morning, beautiful. I'm going to use our Chalk Couture stir sticks, and I am going to stir up my paste just a little bit so that it's nice and wonderful to work with. Sometimes your paste can dry a little bit, but what you want to do is just give it a good quick stir. And then you're ready to go. So I'm going to stir my white, and I'm going to stir my eucalyptus. This is like my new favorite color. It's this like minty green, blue, aqua. I don't even know what it is. It's like it's kind of like a robin's egg. Like if I were to say robin's egg blue, that is kind of what I would call it. Hello, hello. What's everybody up to today? What's going on, my friends? All right. So I am going to do... See, I have my little book here, and I want to do something for my entry. So I'm going to do this together. Is my favorite place to be. Right, Debbie? It's like the prettiest color ever. Love it. So I am going to work on this. I forgot my fuzzing cloth, so I'm actually just going to fuzz it on my shirt. Give myself a little rub this morning. There we go. It's not awkward at all. I got my transfer stuck together. It's all good. Okay, so unstuck. Can you guys see my chalkboard okay? Yes, I'm looking at the screen. You guys should be able to see it. So I do like this nice little wave and pull. And then I will pull my transfer down just like this. And then you just want to get it all smoothed out. So for those of you who are new and have not seen this before, I feel like I have something. There we go. All you do is just lay your transfer down. You get it all smoothed out and ready to go. And then you grab your squeegees. 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 Look at my new little tool. You guys, I'm super excited about this. Tools. All my tools in one place. Big squeegees. Stir sticks. Little squeegees. I'm just super excited. Hobby Lobby, by the way, because I know you're going to ask me. All right. Hi, Deborah. Welcome, welcome. So I think what I'm going to do on this is I am going to chalk the Together and the Favorite in one color. And then I'm going to do white here. And just keep it like pretty basic, pretty simple, nice and easy. So we're just going to do it like this. For those of you who are new and watching, let me know if you're new. Let me know if it's your first time watching. Also, I want you guys to test out something for me because like I said this morning, I was doing like all the tech things this morning. So I was trying to figure out the ever confusing many chats. So will you guys do me a favor and let me know if this works? I literally don't know if it works because I was about to give up. So if you will type VIP in the comments, my Chalkbot should send you a message. Now, disclaimer, only comment if you are not a Chalk Couture designer, because if you're currently a designer, you're not able to get into my VIP group. Sorry, customers only. So if you are somebody who would like more information on Chalk Couture or wants to see my sales and specials, hi, Deborah. I'm so glad you're new. Welcome, welcome. Go ahead and type VIP for me in the comments, and let's just see if my chat box works. Chat bot. My chat. Chalk. Hold on. I'm going to get it. Chalkbot. My Chalkbot. Okay, so for those of you who are new, so here's what I'm doing. So we have a silkscreen stencil, transfer, we call them, and I have just applied it to my chalkboard here, and then I am just chalking. Now what I've done, our chalk dries hard, okay? So once you put it on, and within 5 minutes, it's completely dry to the touch. So let me show you an example. Let me peel this off right here. Let me show you an example on this board. So this is a board I did yesterday, and it is totally dry, okay? Like this is not coming off. I'm not rubbing gently. Like I am pushing with force on here, and it dries very hard, okay? But it comes off with water. So when you want to change out your design, you simply spray it with water, and your design's brand new, and you can change it, and it works on any sort of surface. Doesn't have to be a chalkboard. I could put chalk on this cool little toolbox tool thing that I have here. Hi, Christina. Welcome, welcome. Hey, guys, let me know if the chalk bot is working, and let me know if you just got a message. I'm just trying it out. I love you for trying. So thank you so much for typing VIP. Oh, somebody said it worked. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right, let me get back to chalking. So because the chalk dries fairly quickly, like this is already pretty dry to the touch, you want to do what we call a chalk and pull. So you can chalk, especially if you're doing multiple colors, you want to chalk a little bit and then pull your transfer back to kind of like break that seal. And then you can lay it back down and finish the rest of your words. So because I want to do this in white, I chalked that and then I was able to lay it back down. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to do the is our, see this little piece right here? And literally all I'm doing is I'm swiping this across the screen. It is pretty neat and so easy. Literally ages 9 to 99, just an example, can do this. So it's really fun to do with your kids. We have a lot of team members who work and take the chalk projects to like nursing homes and retirement facilities and just do projects with them because it's so easy and it's so fun and it is like no skills required, okay? No skills. You can use a squeegee, you can clean a window, you can do this, okay? So all I did was I pulled back on that is our portion, and then I'm gonna lay this back down, and then I'm going to finish chalking our favorite. So I'm gonna go back with my eucalyptus chalk, and I'm gonna go over it and do the word favorite, and then this is literally not gonna take very long. So for those of you who are new, hang tight so you can see the big reveal at the end, okay? And then if you're just popping in, I heard it's working. So if you type the words VIP in any form, just type VIP. You'll get a link to join my VIP group where I do specials and I do special giveaways, special sales, special bonuses. We do training and all kinds of fun stuff and show you guys how to use chalk and make it really fun. So, and then I'm just going to do this white down here really, really quickly because I think we have enough time to do it. So then all I'm going to do is swipe this across the screen. Super quick, super easy. And then all you do is you scrape off all of the extra and you put it right back in your jar, guys. All right, are you ready for the big reveal? Let's go. And we're just going to peel, 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 peel. And there's our adorable sign. Guess what? I get to wash this and reuse it again and again and again. So these are not one-time use stencils. If you're used to like Silhouette, Cricut, that's what I used to use. And it's a one-time use stencil. So you just have to use it and then you peel it off and throw it away. And it's so much work. These you can use over and over again. That transfer I probably used at least 5 times. The company says we get 8 to 10 uses out of them. I have so many transfers I've used more than that. It really depends on the surface you put it on. So you can put it on chalkboards, wood, glass, metal, fabric, plastic. We have ink for t-shirts. So you can take that same transfer, put it on a chalkboard, and then go right ahead and put it on a pillow, wash it, put it on a pillow, and use our permanent inks and make something fantastic. It's so much fun, guys. So thanks so much to those of you who are new and who joined. Again, type VIP below in the comments and you will get sent an invitation from my Chalk bot to join my VIP group. So thank you guys so much for joining. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. I'll see you over in our Chalking Friends group and we'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys. Hold on, gotta find the end button. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Please share. Oh, whoa, hold on. Tonya, why did I stick it to my shirt? Okay, hold on real quick. I'm not leaving. Tonya, I stuck it onto my shirt because the transfers, when they come from the company, they're very, very sticky because they are meant to be washed and be able to use again. And you can use them multiple times, 8 to 10 times. Because they're so sticky, we stick them on a shirt or we have fuzzing cloths from the company. We literally have a cloth that's for that purpose, but I didn't have my cloth, so I stuck it to my shirt. That picks up a little bit of lint, and then that lint makes the transfer a little less sticky so that it's not like, oh, you're like pulling like a crazy person to get it pulled off. And then you can wash it and reuse it. So the lint just comes right off. Okay? Hope that answers your question. Thanks, guys, so much for watching, and thanks so much for joining the VIP group. I'll see you over there. Bye, guys.